Hello everyone, to solve this problem, the problem is 4 by 5 cube whole square divided by 4 to the power minus 2 into 4 to the power minus 1. Okay, 4 to the power minus 1. Now we write 4 by 5 to the power 2 into 3 whole to the power 6 into 1 by 4 square into 1 by 4 equal to 4 to the power 6 by 5 to the power 6 into 1 by 4 to the power 3. Now we separate 1 by 5 whole to the power 6 into 4 to the power 6 minus 3 equal to 1 by 5 whole to the power 6 into 4 to the power 3. Next 4 to the power 3 divided by 5 to the power 6. This is the answer.